Hi, Miss Rebecca. Can you tell me about yourself, your first name, middle name, and last name?
I'm Rebecca Bilico Francisco.
Okay. And how old are you, ma'am?
I am 45 years old.
Okay. And where do you live?
I live in Bulacan, Camarines Sur.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am single,
Okay. Do you have kids?
no kids.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, three brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay. And your order in the family, ma'am?
I am the fourth child.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate
Okay. May I know what is the reason why you did not finish your college or did not go to college?
because financial difficulty. I have to help my family to support financial.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have.
Did you finish your contract?
I did not finish the contract.
How many years or months did you work abroad?
In Hong Kong, I worked for 3 years and 6 months.
Did you didn't finish your contract in Hong Kong?
No,
Okay. And what other country did you work for?
I worked in Russia.
Okay. For how long?
I worked for Russia for 6 years.
Okay. Still not finished contract in Russia.
I worked for one family in Russia.
But you did not finish your contract.
There's no contract.
No contract. Okay. Can you indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper, ma'am?
I do general household work such as cleaning, cooking, marketing, and I take care of the children.
Okay. Can you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, I am patient and honest, and I am respectful.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No tattoo,
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no surgery.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work abroad to have a stable job and support my family financially.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay. Give me your idea. How can you take care of a naughty children?
I will react calmly
Mm-hmm.
and I will read them books about naughty child.
Okay. And for the last question, ma'am, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I can assure you that I am hardworking, I am trustworthy, and if you have children, I will treat them as my own.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.